Finally, I received BOXYCHARM pretty early this month, so let's get right into the video and let me show you what I got. This is the BOXYCHARM BaseBox. It's the most affordable one, $25 a month, cancel anytime. I love stuff that I can cancel anytime. It brings 5 full-size items, beauty items. There could be skincare, makeup. Sometimes they have hair care as well. Let me go ahead and show you, and I will leave the link in the description. If you've never signed up or you would like to sign up for the first time, I'll have a link in the description. You do get a pamphlet. This is the October 2021, so it says BOXYCHARM Spellbound. Don't mind my nails. I'm so pissed off with my nail place. This is like the 5th time it's happened. I go get my nails done, they're gel, they're supposed to last 2 weeks, 3 weeks. It's been like 4 days and they're already peeling. Here it tells you all the items you're getting, the price, and a small description, which is a plus. The stuff that I don't like from my box, I do a giveaway. Sent me some eyelashes. This eyelash is from the brand, what is this? Camara Onique Beauty. I hope I'm saying that correctly. Camara Onique Beauty. This is the Mary Lash. And this retails $25. This one pair. And it says this is a beautiful natural lash. If it was up to me, I would put lash extensions. It's just so expensive, but I really am dying to put lash extensions. I don't like the supernatural look. Natural lash in this collection, and is perfect for women who want to keep it real with their beauty. It's a soft and light whisper lash that looks perfect on all eye shapes. Again, this retails for $25. Never heard of this brand. Let's see how disappointed or how happy we will be with this month's box. What is this? This is by the brand Tresluke Beauty. Pack on the pigment or blend as much as you need. Professional quality vegan mixed texture fibers make it easy to perfect your ideal beauty look or eye look. This set includes B100 Deluxe Blending Brush, B101 Classic Blending Brush, B102 Angled Blending Brush, and B121 Rounded Pencil Brush. So let's open it up. This says it retails for $27. Just want to see what they look like. Okay. Pretty interesting. I don't want to touch them too much. But these are the 4 brushes. Do I love the color of the brushes? That handle? Yes, I love royal blue. So beautiful. I love this kind of brush here. Like to put highlight in the inner corner there. Oh my god, it just fits perfectly for that. Or if you have really small eyes, like the eyelid space, that could work really well. This one, yeah, beautiful for blending. Feels fluffy, soft. They don't feel super stiff, which is good. This is more like an angled brush. I don't use this type of brush so much. Maybe it would be good, like, you know, to define. And then this one also, like, this one's just more fluffy. It has more hair than this one. It's alright. I will decide if I will give it away or not. Brushes are always needed, but we will see. So, I mean, that's a nice thing to get brushes. Never heard of this brand either. Don't forget to leave me in the description. Don't forget to leave me in the comments. Have you received your box yet? And have you been happy with your previous boxes? Alright, let me know. I have something here from Tart. What is this? This is the Tart Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. Alright, I can use this. I love eye creams. Like an espresso shot for under your eyes. A vegan skin-loving eye cream that reduces the appearance of puffiness and dark circles for a refreshed, youthful look. The weightless water-based formula. You know I love anything water-based. Whether it's eye creams, hair creams, no, face creams. I just love water-based because I'm very oily. Clinically proven to deliver 24-hour hydration. It helps firm and fight signs of aging with HydroFlex technology and creates a crease-resistant base. So what does that mean? You can wear it before makeup, crease-resistant base. This retails for $35. This is 0.53 ounces. Let me just open it if I can. I can't stand when I struggle. What's wrong with me? I can't speak. When I struggle to open. Here's what it looks like. Really nice. That's such a nice color. And directions: using ring finger, gently pat onto under eye and up to brow bone. Use day and night. Comes nicely sealed. It's always a plus. No scent. Here it is. Can't wait to use it. Can't wait to use it. I've been using the one from Pharmacy, Cheer Up, which a lot of us got on BOXYCHARM as well. It's good, but now I have this one too. I usually do all this stuff in the nighttime. I can't say I do day and night. I would be lying. And here we have, look how pretty this is. That looks beautiful. This is super fall-ish. Let's see what it says. So this here is Ace Beauty Falling For You palette. The Falling For You palette represents some of your most favorite things about the fall season. Each color has been carefully milled and pressed to provide the easiest application and the most excellent color payoff. $34.99. Let me open it up. Looks beautiful. I love falls, my favorite season. But let's just see the colors, because if it's warm and you don't know, I don't like warm for me. Oh, wow, this is actually beautiful. You want me to show you? Oh my god, look at this. First of all, it comes with a mirror, so plus for that. And look at this. This is really nice. I mean, these are not colors that I would wear like on my everyday at all, but it would be nice to play with it. I love a lipstick this color. Not that I'm that bold to wear it, but it's beautiful for makeup tutorials that I do. I think it's really nice. You have your deeper tones, the shimmery. This here looks to die for. Should I do a video showing you a makeup look to give you inspiration? Not that I'll know what I'm doing, but you know, I'll play with it. It looks so fun. Let me know if you want that. Maybe one makeup look. If you guys ask me for more, I'll do more. But this just looks so pretty. This color screams my name. That is so pretty. Imagine a combination like of these two. Oh my god, these three. To die for. To die for. Or these. Let me know if you got this palette. What do you think? Do you like it? Did you like those colors? Just let me know. If I do a video, of course, I'll do swatches and everything. I think I've heard of Ace Beauty, but I've just never tried anything from them. And we have here the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. Adhesive? Is this for eyelashes? Okay, this is the newest and most innovative way to apply your faux lashes. Step aside tubes of glue. This ultra fine liner is easy to apply in a hot way to spice up any eye look. That's what it says, okay, look. $29. Again, the brand is Appeal. So it's not like I've tried many of these. So many brands came up with something like this. Again, the tape, and I'm already struggling with these nails. So let me just open this. Come out. And it's jet black. I really love this way to apply lashes. Not all of them work really well. I've tried many. I have a playlist on my channel showing you like all about lashes, fake lashes. And let's see. So this is what the point looks like. Really blacks, feels good. And I'm not gonna swatch it right now because it's supposed to be a glue as well, but I'll try it out. Especially if a lot of you guys received it, you'll want to know how it works, I'm guessing. Let me know. Did you get the same box as me? Let me know in the comments, and let me know what you got if there's anything that you love. I'll leave a playlist of all my BOXYCHARM videos that I've done. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!